10 No-Skill Digital Side Hustles for Beginners. What if you could start making money online without coding, designing, or years of experience? The internet has created opportunities that almost anyone can learn in a weekend. Here are 10 beginner-friendly digital side hustles worth exploring. 1. AI content assistants use AI tools to help draft blog posts, product descriptions, or social media captions for clients. Always review and personalize the content. 2. Virtual assistant help businesses manage emails, calendars, and simple administrative tasks from home. 3. Online data entry. Many companies hire beginners to organize spreadsheets and update databases. 4. Social media scheduling. Schedule posts, respond to basic comments, and organize content calendars for small businesses. 5. Transcription. Convert audio recordings into written text with good listening and typing skills. 6. Online surveys and user testing. Get paid for sharing feedback on websites, apps, and products. It won't replace a full-time income, but it can provide extra cash. 7. Print on demand. Sell custom t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without holding inventory. Products are made only after someone orders. 8. Digital product reselling. Sell licensed templates, planners, or educational resources where the license allows resale. 9. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products you genuinely trust and earn a commission when someone buys through your referral link. 10. Remote customer support. Many companies train beginners to handle live chat or email support from anywhere. The secret isn't finding a magic side hustle, it's choosing one, learning it well, and staying consistent. Every expert started as a beginner, and your first online income often comes from showing up every day. If this list opened your eyes to new opportunities, smash that like button, subscribe for more digital income ideas, and comment, which side hustle are you starting first?